How to fix BlueStacks installation error. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. First, you'll need to check if you have enough space on your computer to download the application. What you'll do is go to the Start button, go to Settings, and once here, you'll look for Storage. Wait for it to load, and here you will be able to notice if you have enough space to download it. If not, my advice is go through each of these options to delete unnecessary files or applications. Once you have done this, go to the official page of BlueStacks, and here you will download the option suitable for your PC. What I recommend to do is tap on View All Versions, and here you'll scroll down to find which version is suggested for your type of PC. For example, these are for Windows 11, for Mac OS, for other Windows, so you will choose the one that suits your device, and this way you will have solved the installation error on BlueStacks. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.